Mayday, mayday. Bitcoin is liquidating right now. It's actually down to 92,000. Man, look at this candle, friends. Look at this candle. And you thought it was gonna be easy, huh? Bitcoin liquidating. I'm gonna give you a quick update, man. Just check it out. Oh, what's going on? Oh, man, it's funny. Look what it looks like. Let's put on a 3 minute to show you. No! Comes back to 92,000. Yeah, because everyone's turbo leveraged long. Just get used to this, dude. This is bull market stuff. This is what happens in the bull market. This doesn't happen in the bear market, by the way. Okay, in the bear market, it just dies in volume, and then they all just come at once. Okay, this is going up, U-turn, bang, 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 just come. Oh man, that's crazy. And if you just watch this happening in real time, friends, you see these big liquidations. So that's what they do. You know, market obviously does that. They go up, they do this whole distribution part, they come back down, they just wipe out all the stops. You can actually find out a lot of these things. Here you go. Yeah, I'm just a chill guy. I'm just a chill guy. Yeah, you get used to these. There's going to be a lot of these. They look like damaging, disastrous stuff, but they're not, man. That's markets, man. So once a dopamine gets pulled, people just get out. Because they're all late. They're always perpetually late, you know, because they never just get in and swallow it and commit to that long period of time. It's something where you truly do have to commit. But yeah, do you want to know something cool? Bitcoin dominance is ticking down on it. That's actually a Bitcoin sell-off. This is Bitcoin weakness. Wow. So you get to see this real time. So you want to see how I analyze these things real time. This is, don't worry, man. You don't stress about these, but you're just curious and stuff, how things go out. This is what people look at. So they go, oh, like there's a Bitcoin sell-off right now. I wonder what ETH BTC is doing, friends. Now, ETH BTC, actually, I can see it on another screen. It ticked up. Look, ETH BTC is strong. See that? Very powerful. ETH BTC is back to 0.04. You can actually see it on 15-minute chart. Look at that. Strong. See Ethereum, Bitcoin dumping, and now we're up strong. So you see how you can use these ratios to figure out like, oh, what's happening. So obviously it's Bitcoin weakness. It's like Bitcoin is just jittering around and stuff. But it's showing you like even on a market dump of Bitcoin, the alt season would like to occur. Okay. So you're analyzing that. The alt season would definitely like to occur. It is beautiful that, you know, everything's still ticking up. So look at this, by the way, look at this way. This is Tether's market cap. It went absolutely bonkers. Look at that. Whoa, bang. You see that? That is huge. Tether keeps printing. They actually did a $1 billion print as well. So I'm just giving this cute emergency update, just so you can kind of see. Obviously, during these time periods, remember, so isn't what blessed, friends, blessed. I'm literally first person in the world covering this. By the way, I think I was literally the first person in the world to make a YouTube video on Bitcoin 100K because I saw it hit 100K, started recording immediately, uploaded it here for you. When it comes to these, friends, look at this. Others BTC has gone up even more. Look at that. It's up to 21.6. That means 0.216 is 21.6% of Bitcoin's price. That's what the altcoins outside of top 10 are worth. 26%. So what was historically a high number? About 50%. This is 47%. So around up here, see, 45 to 40%. That was what happened last time. And before the big number was 27%. So you see, they're actually going from 27 to 47. You never know. Maybe this one gets even higher. Maybe you got to look at this one. Maybe it becomes like 50 plus. But yeah, if you zoom in as well, you get to see this altcoin, fan. Look, it's confirming even more. It's following the candles to the tick. Literally to the tick. That's beautiful. And these two fractals are from 2016 and 2020. So as you move on further, you just get to see that, yeah, that's a trajectory we're flowing. If this continues, we have 100 days. Where would that land us? Around March. Okay. Now, how do I reconcile this? Look, there is something where you got to be honest with yourself. All right. It's not about the US dollar price of your altcoin. It's about Bitcoin. Yes. So I know it sounds crazy, but if Bitcoin doesn't pump as mega hard as everyone thinks in January, February, March, is it a possibility altcoins are going big and big and big? Yeah. That's what happened in 2021. Let me show you the distribution. So look what happened here, right? See, Bitcoin starts distributing. Let's actually go, friends, from the actual dump part, and let's go back 100 days. Okay, let's be fair. Let's do the This is Dogecoin Mania, I think. Literally right here. So we'll go back around 100 days. So look at that. That puts us at around, Bitcoin could be around, look at this, 40K. It could be from 30 to 40K. Yeah, 30 to 40K. Bitcoin had one last 70% push up, which actually, that's huge when you think about it. One last 70% push up before it starts to distribute. Okay, where would 70% push up then? That's 160K. But see, friends, this is the pit stop area, which is important. Look, what I've done is I've just shown you like it is possible. So where is March here? See, this is wave number 1. That's why I have these ones here, friends. This 1 and wave 2. Okay, if there's wave number 1 here, it is possible. Bitcoin comes up and it's doing this distribution part. Yeah, but Bitcoin around the 100K, no one's going to be concerned because they think, well, Bitcoin's only 100K, like, you know, that's the minimum target. I have no reason to be nervous about any of my altcoins. We could get to that scenario, but altcoins are flying. Okay, so what I'm just trying to do is show you that your altcoin, like I said, your altcoin USD price doesn't really matter as much. Okay, so it's what Bitcoin's done. Okay, another way to interpret this, and you know, this type of thinking is very, very helpful. It's literally medicine for you to survive. If we see like a $200,000 Bitcoin next year, let's say hopefully higher. If we see a $200,000 Bitcoin at the end of next year, if you are long altcoins, it doesn't matter whether Bitcoin's 200K or 100K, okay, or 300K. If you're long altcoins, you're long Bitcoin at that price, pretty much, right? Now, if Bitcoin's cheap, like we saw earlier in the year, and you're long altcoins, remember when Bitcoin was like hovering around 50s and stuff, altcoins get bleeding, but then eventually Bitcoin comes up. So if you're cheap on Bitcoin, it's okay. There's a bit of pain. There's like teething pain, 3, 4, 5 months. We're eventually starting to come back up. That's okay. The danger part is when Bitcoin's high. Okay? When Bitcoin's high and not nuclear herbs high, smoking that sweet, sweet laws of justice, it's the actual price. If Bitcoin is 250K, you being long altcoins, yes, you are long 250K BTC. This was very apparent in every single cycle, and all the liquidity is rehypothecated, friends. So, you know, everyone thinks, oh, you have a bid here and a bid here and a bid here. No, it's all pretty much the same bid. Okay, it's all derived from Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why there's all slingshot leverage on each other. Okay. So even if we go back and check this weekly candle, I see how there's now around 2 red. It can always finish green, but once again, friends, I've got the pit stop here. I feel like that 2-year pit stop, we come back November 2026, we come back here, there we go. No, everyone will say, no, we can't buy because like all the countries bought up here. How can the price go down? Bang. We're going to learn, man, we're a commodity, friends. A commodity trades at the margin. Like, for example, a barrel of oil, what is it? I don't even know what they are. $60. Okay. But it could trade for $6. That's it. It just goes off whatever it's worth on the day. Just like that's Bitcoin price, right? You're like, oh, that sounds like crypto. Yes, it does. They go off these cycles. They're very accentuated as well. And it's not like stocks. So stocks are different. Stocks, there is the meme belief. They're all Ponzi's. They always have the different meme of it. Stocks are different. Stocks have, you know, stocks can't go below a certain price because you could theoretically buy all of the share yourself and own the company. Yeah, but then we always in crypto say like, bro, I don't want to buy your American Airlines. I don't care. You know what I mean? So there's always there's a pool of people in there. You have to understand how they think. Yeah. So, but that's why in the bull market, we have to understand how the crowd or the mania thinks. The bull market, friends, people thinking, oh, Bitcoin's 250K, you got to be a step ahead of them. You have to say, hey, you think it's worth 250K today, but it's still a commodity at the end of the day. Yeah, it's cryptocurrency, it's a new asset. It's half stock, equity, half commodity. Okay, so it's a merger between. That's why it's really, really cool, new, and hard to value. But yeah, you think you feel like it's worth $250,000 today, but with a couple of bad macro things, you know, some red data flags and stuff, inflation and interest rates, whatever the hell it is, you might feel like you don't feel like earning it anymore, right? And so your $250,000 price, you've forgotten all about it. Yeah. And also, that's why it scares people. Things in these commodity world, they can trade infinitely lower. It doesn't matter. Because if you buy one, you don't buy all of it. Okay? You can't buy all of it. You don't get control of everything. Now, theoretically, you can get control of all these crypto if you buy a lot of supply, but you can't do anything with it. You don't get like entitlement to a company, you know? So if American Airlines, friends, remember Pepe flipping American Airlines, if American Airlines traded for like, 1 million market cap, you'd go buy, you own everything there. Sweet. You actually own stuff. And you're like, oh, cool, I can start liquidating all these things. Yeah, but if someone sells you in the marketplace the Bitcoin, let's say the Bitcoin price goes and trades down, everyone wants to exit out, Bitcoin at $500, you're like, cool, I have all this Bitcoin. You're like, yeah, what do you do with it now? You got nothing. There's no bid you can extract. There's no claim on anything. It's just, you just got it, okay? But it's a network, okay? So it's a network like this. So you got to understand this. But this, friends, as well, you got to remember, this helps on the upside. So with a commodity, it's just whether you want to be in the commodity or not. It has nothing to do with the valuation. Because it's not valued like a stock. With a stock, okay, if you pay 500 PE, it's literally, if you theoretically waited 500 years, you get back all your money. That's what it is. But in crypto, it's not. In crypto, it's just a person coming after you in that regard. Now, obviously, everything is the person coming after you. But when you have Spoonie here navigating this world with me, you just get to figure out, it's digital real estate. Digital real estate. It's based off the eyeballs in that network. Like being a country, the rental and land space in New York, totally different to like a rural farm in China. You see? Now, even friends, we'll just finish off with this quick snapback for Bitcoin on a 15-minute. These are friends. I'd say they're crack. They're literally crack. This is just a daily chart. Darth Maul week stuff. Get used to this, man, friends. Bitcoin, they can do these, man. It can do things like come back up. You just get used to that volatility, man, because it's coming to all these. But it's just showing you like Bitcoin's on shaky grounds. People are rotating out. They're coming in for these other altcoins. I guess we'll see what happens from now, right? We've had 3 green months in a row: September, October, November. Plan B, call him Plan Bitch. Of course, he blocked me. 150k Bitcoin expectation. Altcoins are going to go absolutely mental, I think, no matter what happens. I feel like it's a double bubble alt season. I don't even feel like, I predicted it in 2022 because 2013 was double Bitcoin. 2017 was double altcoins. 2021 was double Bitcoin. And I'm like, wait a minute. I wonder if the next one's double altcoins. Like it shifts again. And everything is telling us that, man. Everything is telling us. Like you just watched it right now. Bitcoin poop in the bed. Others BTC goes up. Up. ETH BTC goes up. That's strength. It's beautiful. Make sure you like, subscribe. Catch you soon.